And all present here. Today we are going to discuss another important topic in English, that is phonology. Phonology, understanding especially the consonant sounds. Phonology deals with the study of phonetic sounds, consonants and vowels. It is divided into consonants and vowels, and there are 44 sounds in English. Out of this 44, 20 vowel sound and 24 consonant sounds. Consonants are fundamental speech sound created by obstructing airflow in the vocal tract. Unlike vowels, which involve an open vocal tract, consonants require a partial or complete closure using various articulators such as the lips, tongue, teeth, or throat. English boasts 24 distinct consonant sounds. They are called phonemes, though these are represented by only 21 letters of the alphabet, highlighting the difference between orthography and phonology. Mind map overview: key features of consonant. Voicing determines if vocal cord vibrate during sound production, voiced versus voiceless. Place of articulation: it identifies where is the word or where is the vocal cord the obstruction occurs. Manner of articulation: it describes how the airflow is modified or created by the specific sound. Voiced versus voiceless consonant. Voiced sound produced with vocal cord vibration, creating a buzzing sensation. Examples include b as in bat, d as in dog, g as in go, v as in van, and j as in zoo. Voiceless sounds which proceed without vocal cord vibration. Only airflow creates the sound, which includes p in pat, t in top, k in cat, f as in fan, and an s is in sipper. To distinguish them, place your hand on your throat. You will feel a vibration for voiced sound, but not for voiceless one. Place of articulation, where we find bilabial, dental, glottal, alveolar, velar, palatal. So what are bilabial? Both lips together, pa, ba, ma, they are bilabial. Dental, our tongue tip near the teeth, that is the and the. Thin, this. Glottal, vocal cords constrict. Her in hat. Alveolar, tongue touches the alveolar ridge. Da, da, sa, za, la, ra. Back of the tongue touches the soft palate, that is called velar. Ka, ga, na. Palatal, tongue near hard palate. She, j, ya. Each place signifies a unique point of articulation shaping the sound that is produced. So, manners of articulation. Plosive sounds are stopped in the mouth. Complete airflow blockage. Then sudden release. Pa, ba, ta, da, ka, ga. Fricative. Air forced through a narrow opening, creating friction. F, v, s, z, sh. Affricate. Starts as plosives, releases as a fricative. Ch and j, church, judge. Nasal. Air escapes through the nose or the oral cavity is blocked. Ma, na, ing. Lateral. Flows around the sides of a tongue. Ra. The site approximate to the slight constriction but no friction vowels like ra, va, ya. Consonant. Voicing branch, place branch, and manner branch. So these are the some of the chart, some of the sounds that we have visualizing now. So this is an IPA chart illustrates how consonants are systematically organized based on their articulation features. Voiceless consonants are often listed before their voiced counterpart in each cell. Thank you.